Hello guys, welcome back once again. So today we are looking at this. To find x from this equation, we have x on 2 is equal to x. This type of question seems to be funny and confusing. A lot of students get it wrong or almost. So let us try to solve it and see. We have a way that when you solve it, you are going to get the wrong answer. So, for example, looking at this one is incorrect. This one is incorrect. You have x on 2, which is equal to x. Okay. So from here, we can multiply both sides by 2. Okay. So we are going to get 2 multiplied by x over 2, which is equal to x multiplied by 2. So this one will cancel this. We have x is equal to 2x. Okay. Now, then you can divide both sides by x. Okay. So x will cancel x, which is equal to 1. This one will cancel, which is 2. So 1 is equal to 2 is a wrong approach for this question. Now let us try to solve the correct method. So let us solve the correct one here. So we have x on 2, which is equal to x. Now we multiply both sides by 2. So we have 2 multiplied by x on 2 is equal to 2 multiplied by x. So we are going to get x, which is equal to 2x. Okay, so from here, watch this carefully. What we are going to do is, whatever now we do to the left hand side, it should happen to the right hand side. Okay, so now we subtract x from both sides. So we are going to get x minus x, which is equal to 2x minus x. Okay, so here we are going to get 0 is equal to 2x minus x is x. So our x is equal to 0. Now let us verify to see if our x is equal to 0 indeed. So we verify. We have x on 2 is equal to x. Our x is 0, so we have 0 on 2 is equal to 0, of which it is true that 0 on 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more. Bye bye.